Mercedes-Benz has truly been one of our best partners on this AI journey.
Innovation is deeply rooted in our DNA, and fast forward to today, AI for us is our best digital colleague. With the Microsoft AI tools, we actually give a lot of power in the hands of our employees, and they can do this really faster. We are bringing AI also on the factory floor, so we can analyze this data and improve the efficiency across the factory.
I've just been alerted to a decline in efficiency. I can ask digital factory chat to investigate the cause. By deploying this AI-powered solution, Mercedes reduced energy consumption by more than 20%.
Hey Mercedes is our voice assistant on the wheels.
Hey Mercedes, can you tell me about the conference happening in the Moscone Center in San Francisco this week?
Microsoft Ignite, a prominent technology conference. This event brings together IT professionals and industry leaders to explore advancements in technology and innovation.
Sounds like an incredible event.